Hello everybody, welcome back to the next tutorial, import multiple objects into Pixera. So for this one we have to create first of all multiple objects. I'm going back to 3D Max and creating a plane and put it directly in the middle of my scene. So just 0, 0, checking the parameters. So in my case I just need 2.16 by 3.84 visible. And of course, before you export anything, check the units. I'm working in meters here, and the system units is also working in meters. So it means if I export this one to other programs, it should be in the right dimension. So now I'm just creating here two other objects. So I want to have another screen here inside. Move this one back to the middle. And so far, I'm done with creating three objects, three screens. I just export this one directly. And I just say this one is multi for me. Make sure triangle is selected. And of course, embedded media for now is not so important. And check the units as well. So this one is normal. We had it on the last tutorial as well. The planes are just using in 3D Max. Just make sure that you are working with edible mesh. Import this one right now to Pixera. And you see, there it is. I'm checking if we have the right size. Everything looks fine. Take this one away and I click on it and voila, it's selecting directly all three of them. So when I want to work separately with the screens, I can't because everything is just selected together. That's weird. What happened when I put a content on it? Whoopsie. So I see the same content on every screen. This is not what I want to have. I want to have a completely scenery with three screens. So just delete this one again and I show you how to do it. It's very simple, but you have to take care of it. The only things what you have to do is you have to give every object their own material. So for example, create here one material. That's number one. And we are using this one, yellow one. Put this one on. Copy it. This is number two. And as well here, number two is red. And we are taking the other one, number three. And checking this one out as well. So select everything and we save it. It's better. So like this. Fine. Yes. And then we export this one. Select it. Take it multiple two. Yep. Triangle. Now it's very important. Embedded media. Now we have media on top of the object. And of course, the scale factor is very important. This will be exported directly as editable mesh. If you don't like it, if you just want to do it directly, you can also convert this one directly to editable mesh. And we'll see what happened then. Convert it to editable mesh. So now every plane is an editable mesh. Go to export. Same to again. Save. Yes. This one is fine. And you see no error anymore. So I'll come back to Pixera, add this one to Pixera, and you see now every screen get their own color, and of course their own, you can select by them separately. What you see here is also the canvas resolution. By default, we have 1080 by 1080, so make sure that all the screens getting 1920 and make it projectable. And now you can move the content directly on the screens that you see. It is working fine. So going back to Pixar, to 3D Max, and if we want to change, not just in colors, if we want to have really nice maps on it, we just can import normal bitmaps. Yeah, going here, materials, numbers, I have just numbers inside. This is number one. Oops. There it is. My mouse is not doing what I want. So I move this one here, connect this one, say number two, and the same I'm doing here. Double click and number three. I'm gonna move this one up to here. Now you see this was plane one. I just moved this one here. This one on plane number two, this one on plane number three, and make it visible as well. And again, this one as well. So now you have 1, 2, 3. So now I'll export this one. I'll say here multiple 3. Save. Okay. Go back to Pixera and load number 3 inside. 1, 2, 3. Cool. This is it. And of course, now you can create your own custom model. Like I have here a lot of things. I take a 3D tour table, and you see here I create some different pictures here. I put a texture here on it. This is also different bitmaps what I'm using. So I just make this one projectable. I just say this one is also projectable. Make sure, sorry, again, that you have here also the right resolution. The canvas resolution is very important. And now you can move directly content on it. I'm playing back. And that's it. Thank you very much. And in my next tutorial, I try to import a SketchUp model from my colleague Florian, what he sent to me. And yeah, we'll see how it works. Thank you very much.